Hey, Urhobo Wakobecha, you're welcome back to my channel. Urhobo. Today, like I just said in my language, is count in Urhobo. How do you count? Alright, today's video will count from 0 to 20. So stay tuned to see how we count in Urhobo to 20. 0 Odiodi. 1 Ovo. 2 Ive. 3 Era. 4 Ene. 5 Inyoli. 6 Esa. 7 Igwe. 8 Elele. 9 Irili. 10 Ikwe. 11 Ukwovo. 12 Ukwive. 13 Ukwera. 14 Ikwene. 15 Ikwioli. 16 Ikwegbesa. 17 Ikwegbigwe. 18 Ikwegbelele. 19 Ikwegbirili. 20 Uje. Did you count along with me? If you did, thank you. You did well. This is where we'll end today's video on counting. If you want more counting, please comment in the comment section so we can count as many numbers as possible in Urhobo language. But when you say, oh, you know, in Nigeria, well, do.